Cover strip washers. Cover strip dog bone bung washers are for use with our U-channels and classic cover strips. They are supplied in bags of 4. The half post cap. Half post caps can be used when starting fencing from a wall, or when using gate corner posts. They are available in black, anthracite grey, olive grey, sepia brown and galvanised. Z-board fixing spacers. These Z-board fixing spacers are for use in securing Z-boards. They come in 150mm and 300mm versions to match the available Z-board range. The 150mm Z-board fixing spacers are supplied in packs of 12 pairs. The 300mm Z-board fixing spacers are supplied in packs of 6 pairs. Reinforcing bar. Used to add strength when using Prima composite boards as gravel boards or in composite fences. They come in 2 sizes, 1.8 meters and 2.4 meters. Rail packer. Rail packers are for use when fitting capping to Prima composite boards. The 60x20mm packer is supplied in a bag of 10. These are for use with the DuraPost capping rail. The bolt down support in galvanised. Used when fixing a classic post into hard surfaces such as concrete. The corner gate post bolt down support in galvanised. Used when fixing a corner gate post into hard surfaces such as concrete. Panhead timber screws, colour matched to our DuraPost range of colours. Supplied in a 10 pack. They come in black, anthracite grey, sepia brown, olive grey and russet silver. They are used for fixing gravel boards and timber panels. The post cap. This 75x75mm post cap with bracket can be used on posts and corner gate posts. The post cap comes with a mounting bracket for fitting onto a DuraPost classic post. The post caps can also be used without the mounting bracket on our corner posts. They come in black, anthracite grey, sepia brown, olive grey and galvanised. Gate stops. Gate stops can be secured directly onto the corner gate post. They come in black, anthracite grey, sepia brown and olive grey. The post infill. Infills are used with the classic post at the end of fence runs. A 2.1 metre height post infill comes in black, anthracite grey, sepia brown, olive grey and galvanised. Matching colour paints, used for colour matching cut points or spraying accessories to match. Colour matched to our DuraPost range colours, the sprays come in black, anthracite grey, olive grey, sepia brown and galvanised.